Angel, I know in your widest imagination, you never believed that a day like this would come, right?
Go away. I don't have any business with you.
You lie! We have blood ties. You are my sister. But you chose to allow jealousy eat deep into you and separate us. For what gain, if I may ask? Well, tell me.
We are not sisters.
Oh.
We can never be. We are not blood related. You are not my father's biological daughter. Angel, you have always wanted all that belonged to me. You took everything that I have. I am not letting you have your way this time around.
Ever wondered why I never told Josh that you're my blood sister? Ever wondered? Ever wondered why I never told him that you are my killer? Ever wondered? That is because I've been watching you. I've been watching you from a distance. I've been watching you do a whole lot of things. I've been watching you play your games. And I was actually waiting for the right time. But I'm here now to let you know that two can actually play the game. I am going for your child.
No! Angel, please. Please don't hurt my child.
Catch me if you can.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.